rescue queens and their fight. June is rich in flowering plants. One of these plants is false acacia. It's a very abundant source of nectar, which is massively visited by honeybees. False acacia flowering period coincides in time with the peak of bee colonies development. This is the best moment to split colonies into smaller parts. Colonies created in June can easily achieve an appropriate level of development to ensure winter survival. These are rescue queen cells. Bees are trying to rear a new queen from larvae, so choosing a few to do that. Queens reared this way are mostly much smaller than swarm queens because of used to rearing process. The oldest possible larvae swarm has to rear any queen anyway. Their mother, the bee queen, has been removed from this hive to another one. After 12 days, first young queen has been born. A new queen, with obsessive compulsion, is tearing apart her sister's cells. They became a deadly threat to the new queen. To avoid personal fight in future and ensure to become full-fledged queen, she has to kill every competitor she can find. The easiest option is to kill them in a pupa stage. If she misses only once, become a queen will be uncertain. And the competitor was born here. Attendants are crawling closely next to her, licking pheromones, the only weapon she has got right now. A closer look shows us what is happening. This poor, young queen has been deadly wounded by her sister. Although she was released from the cell, she is about to die. Her tongue is not fully developed, one of her legs has been cut by the first competitor, the queen has been stung, her legs are paralyzed on one side. Finally the queen, one from sisters, die. There can be only one queen in the hive. Meanwhile the colony of her mother is growing up. There is a lot of capped and open brood, pupae and larvae are her future. Around 2 to 3 afternoon, young bee workers try their first flight. There is the crowd near hive entrance. Some bee workers are showing scent glands. These ones in honeybees are called dew-force glands. Bees secrete some specific smell. Other bees, which are uncertain how to find the hive entrance, following towards fragrance, and can easily find their hive. Dew-force glands are localized before last, dorsal tergite. The old queen is laying eggs. She can survive only this way. Surrounding workers will live just yet 20 days, but in very close future a new one begins to emerge. These young bees will be replacing those dying from an old age. This colony works as a single organism, with circulated blood. Workers are the cells of it, and they forming blood system. All hormones and food sources are very fast, distributing among society members.